Shoot. Oh no, not again.
I hope you remember this game is about hitting all pins at once and not striking them one by one.
Don't get smart with me, Jack.
What's happening? On average, you do much better.
I think you just hit the bullseye when you reminded me about the basics of this game. You see, one of my current professional challenges refers to bulk configuration, and this is the progress that we achieved as a team so far. It's a total mess. I'm looking for process automation. I mean, a way to cut corners when configuring new instances of the same equipment class in all branches. The visualization configuration should not be about monotonous manual processes. It should pop up in perfect order, just like these pins. Think of one alley as the equipment class. We need to create many instances of the same devices in tens of branches. If only it was as easy as powering up additional alleys.
I think I know a solution that may do the trick. It's actually as simple as being in charge of the present control panel. Bulk configuration doesn't require complex systems when Iconics is your companion. All you need is an Excel spreadsheet. Once you configure the master robot, you can create many instances of robots. There are no limits to how many digital twins you may want to configure. What's great is that they all pop up in a piece of software that allows transparent and easy-to-use data access. Try out the Iconics Software Solutions bulk configuration feature next time you need to recreate the same technical environment on a large scale.
Sounds good. But first, we gotta finish the game.